As a new puppy owner, I'm sure you are already aware that a puppy needs socialization para di siya maging matakotin o aggressive na aso. Yun nga lang, often puppy owners will go about it the wrong way, with potentially very bad outcomes for the puppy and the owner. Ito ang dapat mong gawin para ma-socialize ng tama ang puppy mo, so that he can be calm around a variety of situations and still listen to you and respond to trained cues. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose. I'm a veterinarian and dog behavior consultant. First, let's define what socialization actually is. Puppy socialization ang tawag sa proseso ng pagsanay sa isang puppy na makaranas ng iba't ibang experience gaya ng makamit siya ng iba't ibang tao, aso at iba pang hayop. Makakita ng iba't ibang lugar at maka-experience ng iba't ibang mga sights and sounds na maaaring madalas niyang ma-encounter sa buhay niya kasama mo. Ito ay para lumaki ang puppy na walang takot at hindi maging reactive o aggressive sa mga nakikita niya. So bakit nasabi ko na hindi tama yung socialization kapag hayaan mo lang makipaglaro ang aso mo sa ibang aso sa dog park o sa doggy daycare o kung saan pa? Your puppy can get socialization experiences out of these. That's true. In fact, there are many ways socialization can happen accidentally. Nang ni minsan, hindi mo naman pinag-isipan o pinlano ito. But often these experiences are very uncontrolled and unstructured and therefore unpredictable. If you're lucky, nothing bad happens during these encounters and your puppy will come out of these experiences just fine. But sometimes the puppy can end up learning wrong behaviors or having traumatic experiences that in turn can result in your puppy becoming fearful, reactive, or even aggressive. At mahirap na ito baguhin kapag malaki na siya. May kinalaman din dyan ang genetics. Hindi lahat ng puppies ay naturally socially inclined. Puppies that start out a little more cautious would be very likely to develop fearfulness, reactivity, or aggression if thrown into an uncontrolled situation that overwhelms them. And dahil nga gusto mong umiwas sa ganyan to avoid leaving things to chance and to make sure your puppy doesn't accidentally have a bad experience, here's what you should do to proactively and properly socialize your puppy. The critical period for socialization in puppies is between 3 to 12 weeks of age. Ang mga experience ng puppy sa edad na ito ay mas lalong makaka-impluwensya sa kanyang magiging personality at sa mga behavior niya sa kanyang paglaki. Lampas sa ganitong edad, nagiging mas mahirap na sanayin ng aso sa mga bagay o karanasan na di niya naranasan nang mas bata pa siya. Kaya importante na masimulan mo ang socialization habang nasa ganitong edad ang puppy mo. Ideally, you should expose your puppy to as wide a range of experiences as possible. But realistically, most dog owners don't often find the time for regular socialization during the puppy's critical socialization period. Kaya ilista mo na lang kung ano ang alam mong kailangan i-prioritize at makasanayan ng aso mo. Dahil alam mo na madalas niya ito may encounter sa buhay niya kasama mo. So if, for example, you live in the city and expect to take your puppy with you to busy public areas, then you might prioritize introducing your puppy to seeing cars, bikes, and other forms of transportation. Sisiguraduhin mo na masanay siya na makakita ng maraming tao at ng iba't ibang aso na pinapasyal. Pwede mo siya sanayin na sumakay ng escalator o elevator. Pwede rin sigurong sanayin mo siya na tumambay sa mga cafe o sa mga mall. O halimbawa, kung plano mo na madalas bumisita sa pamilya mo na may marami ding alagang hayop at gusto mo isama ang aso mo doon, then you might prioritize introducing your puppy to being calm around other dogs and other animals that he might encounter there. You might also prioritize getting your puppy used to car rides and introduce him to things he might encounter and experience during your trips, such as busy bus or train stations, airports, or hotels. The point is that you want to make sure you hit specific socialization goals that are important to you. Higit pa dun, sa mga socialization priorities mo, the more varied your puppy's socialization experiences during the critical socialization period, paglaki niya, mas madali siya makaka-recover at masasanay sa mga bagong bagay at bagong karanasan na may encounter niya kahit hindi niya ito naranasan nung maliit pa siya. Your dog will be able to bounce back quickly when he encounters things that are new and unexpected. Ngayong alam mo na kung ano ang kailangan mong i-prioritize sa socialization ng iyong puppy, siguraduhin mo na may structure at kontrolado mo ang socialization experiences ng puppy mo para sigurado na maganda ang magiging experiences niya every time. As much as possible, you want to be able to control or be able to manage your puppy's level of exposure to things to avoid him being overwhelmed and potentially traumatized. Guide your puppy through the socialization experience. Reward him with treats for being calm around the things he sees. Pwede din mag-practice ng fun training games habang nasa malapit ang mga bagay na kung saan gusto mo ma-socialize ang puppy. And this will also teach him to stay focused on you no matter what is going on around him. Allow your puppy the choice to move away from things when he feels unsure, and don't force him to interact with something, which may flood and overwhelm his senses and cause panic. Masdan ang body language ng iyong puppy at maging aware sa mga signs of stress. Para kung kailangan, pwede mo agad i-guide ang puppy palayo at papunta doon sa kung saan alam ng puppy na siya ay safe. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung bakit di recommended ang mga random playgroups at naiwanan mo ang puppy na walang guidance sa mga ganito. Outcomes in these situations are very unpredictable. Your puppy might get bullied or may be in a group with puppies or dogs that don't match his play style or energy. Pwede siyang ma-overwhelm, mag-panic at maaaring maging defensive and aggressive siya dahil sa takot. On the other hand, your puppy actually might have a good time pero sa sobrang enjoy naman niya maglaro, maaari itong makasira sa training at pwedeng maging mahirap tawagin ng aso at mahirap pakalmahin. You might notice your puppy may learn to ignore your recall in favor of running off to play with other dogs or people. On leash, your puppy might become excitable when he sees other dogs passing by, and then frustrated when he is not allowed to freely play with them. Eventually, such behavior could transform from innocent excitement and frustration to reactivity and aggression. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na bawal makipaglaro ang puppy mo sa lahat ng aso. Pero mas maganda kung planado at kontrolado mo ang play. Be selective about your puppy's playmates and choose those that have good temperaments and that match your puppy's playstyle. Teach your puppy to listen for cues from you for when he is allowed to greet other dogs and people. And also teach him to come away from playing and come back to you when called. You can do this by interrupting short sessions of play with calling the puppy back to you and rewarding him with treats or playing with the puppy yourself, so that the puppy learns you can be as much fun as his puppy playmates. Kapag structured, controlled at guided ang mga ganitong socialization experiences at kapag sinabayan ito ng training, maganda ang magiging karanasan ng puppy at maganda ang mga behavior na matututunan niya. And you can be sure that your puppy will develop into a confident dog that can be calm, not overstimulated, and not fearful or reactive in a variety of situations. If you have questions, please comment them below. And if you'd like to get more help with your puppy's early socialization and training, you're welcome to schedule a consultation with me. We can meet online or on site. The link is in the video description. Now, your vet may have advised against taking your puppy out before his vaccinations are completed. Unfortunately, the critical socialization period falls right in that age. Watch this video if you're concerned about exposing your puppy to health risks when socializing at a young age. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.